Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best teleprompter that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GlideGear TMP100 Adjustable Teleprompter. Designed to shoot with a DSLR or mirrorless camera, this GlideGear TMP100 Adjustable Teleprompter is compatible with any smartphone or tablet using iOS and Android teleprompter apps. Featuring industry-standard beam split glass over 70/30ths visible light transmission, a collapsible setup for simple setup and transportation in a 10 feet reading range, this is undoubtedly one of the best value products on the market. Furthermore, this teleprompter comes complete with a protective carry case so you can avoid any damage between shoots. Moving on at number 4, we have the Parrot Teleprompter. Although Parrot Teleprompter claims to be the world's most affordable and portable option, does it really live up to it? For the price tag, it will certainly get the job done. This professional quality teleprompter comes complete with a mount for your travel camera, a smartphone or tablet grip and a free app that will allow you to manage scripts with ease. If you're filming on the go, this is certainly one of the best compact and lightweight options that will help you to get the job done. At number 3, we have the IKan PT3700 Teleprompter Travel Kit. If you're looking for the best on the market when it comes to teleprompter kits designed for travel, IKan PT3700 Teleprompter Travel Kit is most certainly the choice for you. Complete with a rolling hard case complete with a custom-cut foam that will ensure you can travel from A to B with the peace of mind that your kit is protected, wide wheels and air and watertight design, all bases are covered here. Of course, the teleprompter is just as impressive with an adjustable frame, extremely clear screen and a dual-purpose baseplate to support various cameras. It's as versatile as it is portable and durable. You might also like some of the best touchscreen monitors from our list, so check them out. At number 2, we have the IKan PT Elite Pro Teleprompter. If you're pretty serious about creating seriously great, natural videos, this teleprompter is made for the pros. Offering high clarity and sharpness from the grade 70/30ths glass, an adjustable frame and the new and improved EV3 quick-release baseplate, this model comes complete with all the bells and whistles. Furthermore, you can quickly add or remove your camera as you adjust the support to accommodate different camera sizes. So, if you're looking to travel light without compromising on quality and functionality, the Elite Pro is the teleprompter for you. For more handy products like this, check out our guide to the best mini projectors. And finally at number 1, we have the IKan PT Elite iPad Teleprompter Kit. If you've got your eye on a teleprompter from IKan but our previous choice just isn't a purchase you can justify, the IKan PT Elite iPad Teleprompter Kit is a great compromise. For those in search of an inexpensive way to integrate your iPad into your video production, IKan is the solution. The Elite iPad Kit is an out-of-the-box solution that will transform your iPad into a super portable, through-the-glass teleprompter as and when you need it. Compatible with the iPad, iPad 2, iPad 3 and iPad 4, the adjustable mount will allow you to install your iPad and get to filming with no trouble at all. If you are looking for display options for your home or office, be sure to check out our guide to the best projectors. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.